Hello, everybody. Hello. Welcome to Character Modeling, the second announcement for our 6th week. Really got some cool things to talk to you about, especially because we're talking about phonemes and making expressions and having those pop around. So this week we're going to talk about phonemes and at the end of it, and this is going to tie into a lot to your second half of your Morpher assignment, and this is going to be a lot of work that's going to go into it. Also, my son's here, so if you hear some random noises in the back, don't mind him. He's just being a 3-month-old. Hi, buddy. So you can probably see him in the corner right there. However, let's get into it and actually start talking about it and really seeing what phonemes are and what do they do. So let's go for it. So phonemes are really just adding speech to expressions. So when you create an expression and you change the mouth, you're forming letters or words or phrases and expressions on a character's face that are trying to form words. And phonemes can be matched with expressions to cause emotions, such as horror or happiness, and really get into details with words. And that's going to really add more concept, especially if you're animating voice and vocals and trying to do lip syncing. We're actually doing that now with one of our projects, and that's a really big aspect to really go about that. So let's take a look. So a lot of times when you're an animator and you're trying to figure out what your character is going to look like when they say a letter or a word, you want to like sound it out. So a good thing is have like a mirror or like video record yourself, and that way you can look at how your face turns when you're like saying it, and you can like pause it piece by piece, sound out the word yourself. Start with simple words and combine phonemes to create words and phrases. You can even use consonants to create expressions with sounds. For example, like making a gas noise, for example, go. That would work really well. So yeah, it's really important with that, and you can combine phonemes to really make even sound effects like gas. For example, you can take the F and the B and the P sound. So you start with like the lips closed with P, and then you turn into open teeth that clenches into the tongue right here or into the bottom lip for F, and you can just transition that into the frames and create a gas noise. You can do it that way. But these are the 10 major aspects. So you have your 5 vowels, A and I, E, O, and U, plus the consonants, W, Q, M, B, P, L, and sometimes TH, and F and B. These are the 10 frames that I want you to focus on. If you need this image, let me know. I can send it to you. I believe it's also in your lecture work, so that should be there. However, yeah, if you need this image to go by a guide of what I'm looking for the 10 frames, this is it right here. So, yeah, there you go. This is the guide right here. So these are for your 10 individuals for the phoneme faces, and then you have your other expression, your custom expression, then your blink. And that should be perfect. Other than that, that's all I got for you guys. Hope everything goes well. If you need anything, please let me know. Your discussions are due on Saturday, your reply post. If you haven't posted an initial post, please do that. I posted an initial post for you for your expression drawings. So let me know. That would be cool. Get some feedback on it for your reply. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Again, busy week. Make sure you have your week 6 assignments done by Sunday. And then we move into 7 where we start texturing your models. Other than that, that's all I got. Be safe, have fun, enjoy. See you later. Have a good one.